Alright, in this video, I'll show you how to customize Control Center on iPhone in iOS 18. First, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Now, swipe through to explore different groups like Now Playing, Connectivity, and Favorites. You can also tap the icons on the right side to jump directly between these sections. To start customizing, just press and hold anywhere on the screen. Next, tap Add a Control. Here, you can search, browse, or choose from the control gallery, including controls from third-party apps. Select any control to add it instantly to your Control Center. You can also resize controls by dragging the handle in the corner, and rearrange them by simply dragging them into position. If you want more sections, just swipe past the last group and add a new one. Once you're done, tap anywhere outside to save your layout. And yeah, that's how to customize Control Center on iPhone with iOS 18.